There, this is Brian back with a look at Bone here. I'm going to start showing the full screen on here, everything on here. In case you have signed up for the trading courses, I want you to be able to see what I click on all the time here. I usually cut this section out of the videos, but even if you haven't got the trading courses, you know, at least you can see what I'm clicking on over here all the time. Alright, so we are down to $1. Alright, we're going to look at these RSIs and everything in a second. See if I have some alarms set down here. Obviously, let me take them off here for the video. Just remove that one. It takes a second to get them off here, but we're going to be zooming in here on this price action, so I want them out of there. Okay, right now we're down at $1. We've had a low for the day of $1, and we've had a high of $1.04. We're down 0.69%. All right, Bitcoin is down just $100. Not much moving, really, staying pretty still. Bitcoin dominance is minus 0.08%. The Dow Jones is down 197 points. Let's click on that real quick. I really haven't looked at that today. Oh boy, still holding that line. Look at that, how I put that resistance line there about a week ago. Look how it nailed it perfectly. Unbelievable. This is the line we got to hold right here for the Dow Jones. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. There we go, so we can see that better, and make these ones a little bit just smaller so they don't stick out so much. Okay, that's at a 1. This is the line the Dow Jones really needs to hold. Don't want to see it lose it. You can see back through here, resistance area, resistance, support back here. It's a pretty crucial area for this thing to hold. All right, it got that breakout here of this massive wedge pattern here. Okay, would like to see it really start taking off here. It's where the RSI is at. Let's take a look. Nostalgia. This is important to the whole market, the Dow, to the crypto market and the stock market. All right, we got the daily is bearish actually. Where's the weekly at? The weekly's coming down at 22 and a 23, and the monthly is boy, just flipped bearish. Not real good. Don't want to really see that stuff going on here. So some things need to change here for the Dow Jones, that's for sure. You know, or we could be heading towards a you know, some bad times here. I mean, especially if it breaks back down into this pattern and falls out the bottom. So we're going to keep an eye on this Dow Jones, obviously. All right, going down through here, the dollar's getting a little bit of a bounce. That's usually bad for crypto. You can see we have got a higher high here. Okay, it did take out this previous let's open it up here so I can show you what we're talking about right here. Okay, we have officially taken out this high over here, so now the dollar has made a higher high. All right, now if it makes a higher low than over here, then it's starting an uptrend. So we'll keep an eye on that dollar for sure. Every time it's rising, usually crypto's falling. All right, so that's a Dixie. Gold is down $8. We're waiting for that to do that big ABC pattern that we have here. Now, all this ties back into crypto, guys. You might not think it does, but believe me, it does. Okay, let's go out on the daily. Wonder what happens in my ABC pattern here that I had on here. This let me show you what we're looking at here. Wait, must have took it off there for some reason. Looking at a B C out of gold, so waiting for it to break that support at 1885. It's heading down. The daily's rolling over, so maybe we'll get that. The weekly is bullish, but you can see how it's rolling over down here because the monthly is bearish, a 66 and an 81. Okay, so moving down through, the total market cap is down 2.8 billion, and the total 2 without Bitcoin is down $1 billion. All right, so let's get back to Bone here. I want to show you guys. Let's get on the daily. Get this ready. All right, there we go. I want to show you guys a few tweets here that Shib sent out here. We got Bone, Shibaswap, hashtag best news, hashtag army, hashtag Bone, hashtag Shibarium is live for Bone. This was August 16th, 5 hours ago. I want this place for Bone. Let's see what this is. I thought I'd save them for the videos. I didn't want to, let's see here. I want this place for Bone top 5. Yeah, that would be nice for sure. Okay, let's move down through. It's nothing big there. Right here, 12 hours ago. Hashtag Shibaswap will be enabled for Shibarium very soon, and hundreds of projects will be implemented. I hope you will choose the best projects. Message is open to everyone. Wow, that's pretty cool. 12 hours ago, Shibaswap will be enabled for Shibarium very soon, and hundreds of projects will be implemented. That's pretty big news there, huh? Look at this. The alert, 99 cents. Hashtag bone, hashtag September 5th. We were expecting this, so this is no big shock to us. 99 cents. This was September 3rd. Green markets make millionaires and red markets make billionaires. Isn't that the truth? You know, the people that buy at the very bottom of the bear market are the ones that that turn out to be rich. That's a fact. You know, unless you have millions of dollars to put in right from the start, you know, but the people that buy at the bottom are the ones that get extremely rich. That's for sure. Been through a bull run. I've seen it. Most of the people come in at the end and buy the top. The people that are in here now are the ones that make a pile of money. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this chart, guys. Let's open this up. I didn't put out a video yesterday. I've been waiting just for some price action to move here. You know, last couple days. This is on the daily. You can see yesterday we had a high of $1.04 and a low of $1.01. Well, no, actually we had a low of what was that, 98 cents? 98 or 99 it went down to. All right, but we are breaking these levels. This next level we're watching to break is at 95 cents. Okay, you can see over here it was a major resistance line. Back through here, resistance. This is another big area. Back through here, resistance. So keep an eye on that 95 cents. We break that, then we're going to be heading down to our target areas. All right, but let's take a look here at the RSIs. The daily. We got that daily. Let's fix this here so we can see it. It's at all zeros. Okay, and it's very, very oversold. Okay, we're oversold right now extremely. The 12-hour oversold, bullish. It's at a 3 and a 2. Look how low it is down here. We're going to get a bounce. The 8-hour just starting up, bullish, a 30 and a 23. And the 4-hour is bearish, a 61 and a 70. Okay, the weekly, 34 and a 46, still bearish. Okay, so I'm expecting this thing, especially with this daily. Look how low we are down here, and we're at a 30. The 12-hour is at a 27. All right, extremely oversold. Look back over here. What happened when we were down at these levels? Look at this run up from $1.14 up to $1.44. All right, we're not going to go that high. I don't believe so. Not financial advice, guys. I don't have a crystal ball. Look at this one down at 24 on the bottom. Look how low. Look how oversold this is at a 24. All right, and the 4-hour is still way oversold at a 32. All right, so obviously I'm expecting a bounce up here. Now here is where we're going to take a look here and see how high this bounce could go. All right, if we go in on the 12, you can see this a lot clearer. All right, here is your 1-2 wave. All right, let's look here. If this is the bottom of our 3, which it must be very, very close. 1, 2, this would be our 3 coming in. All right, a 4, we could bounce. This 4 could bounce up to right around $1.24. All right, believe it or not. I strongly believe, you know, I believe we're going to get a decent bounce here just because that daily is so oversold in the 12-hour. Okay, then we should, by the time this gets up here, that daily and the 12-hour and all these RSIs should be coming up here like this and be oversold. All right, by the time price action gets up there, and then we should be on our final wave down. That's what I believe is happening. You know, like I said, I don't have a crystal ball. I just try to read these charts the best I can, and that would make absolute sense. That would finish up this massive right here, this massive A, B, C. All right, that would finish that off, and as soon as we hit that bottom, the daily should be oversold, the weekly should be down at oversold, and this thing should be ready to rock and roll, ready to go. So if you guys could, please hit the like and subscribe. I have a thing in there for if you're interested for kaspa donations for the channel, kaspa. I do a lot of videos on it if you're interested in donating to the channel. Just the like and subscribe helps a ton, guys. So I appreciate everything. Thank you so much, guys. I will talk to you very soon. And, don't be surprised if we get a bounce here, all right? I should have another video out tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on things. And thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon.